What up everyone, this is Motorola and today I'm going to show you how to fix no desktop audio coming on OBS Studio. So let's get right into this. So if you basically see your desktop audio over here and nothing's moving, even if you have something playing on the side, or even if there's nothing basically come up, there's two ways to fix this. The first, make sure there's no X basically, as you just saw over there, happening in there, meaning it's not muted by you or manually muted, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to basically go into the settings section. So, not from here. So from here at the bottom right, click into settings, go into audio, and then in the global audio devices, you're going to see your desktop audio. It's either going to be on default or disabled. Change this to what it should be. So I have two monitors and a speaker as well. So this is the Yeti. This is not a speaker, but it's my microphone. But this is the speaker, and these are the two actual monitors. Pretty much play around with whichever specific one it is to see whichever audio you basically want to get, and then see if that audio comes out. You can do test recordings to basically see. The last thing is, it's entirely possible that it's not the desktop you're thinking the audio is not coming from. It might be like a game capture device or something, or a third-party device. So that's probably going to be from the sources section that you need to capture the audio from. You can even see over here there is media source capture and audio input and output capture as well, specifically the output, because that's probably what you care about. So you can choose that specific one as well and have that in your audio mixer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please don't know, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motorola out. Peace.